They've been sitting for 10 fucking years. This is the hot rod. That's the classic. Even though this is, I call it a hot rod because there's so much shit done to it. But this fucker is all original. That's pretty much all original too. A few little whiskey bumps. Looks like the box is kind of shoved over. That tires, I can't believe it's still aired up. All fucking original except that their speakers. I guess the original speaker burnt out. I remember riding this truck when I was a little fucker. It was freaking awesome. 95,000 miles. No joke. You didn't drive these much when you were young. You didn't drive these much. Rebuilt inline 6. Good motors. Got 100 of those at the farm. I've determined the fuel pumps are junk on both of them. This one has a quarter tank of 10-year-old gas, or maybe more, and water because there was no gas cap. Typical Chevy Apache 10. This truck went to Marmouth. It got beat the fuck. It's a big and ugly. It's a nice truck. Beat to hell. One was supposed to be parts. The other was supposed to be for driving and shit. But fuck, I want to suit that one up more than this one, but this was my grandpa's. And he died. Same thing, looks a lot better though. A little goofy air cleaner. This thing was repainted at one point in time. It might have all just been blue. But this one, the rings are shot in the motor. They both crank. I know that. They both kind of get brake pressure. Leveling kit. Yeah. This is a prettier Apache. It's a custom. The wood deck's actually in really good shape still. Painted. Yeah, this truck was definitely painted at one point. This is nice. Yeah, this is a fucking sweet ass truck. For fuck's sakes. God, this is nice. They put this stuff all over the motor too. Footprint, gas pedal. See if the brakes held a little bit, not much. Still no clutch. The radio, this has a kick-ass system and shit in here. This is gonna be my daily driver if I get it going good. Rebuild the motor. Got a fucking CB. Sweet. Old-fashioned, awesome gauges. This one's got, wow. It either has 107,000 miles or it has 7,000 miles. I'm sure it only has 7. Because this thing was garaged forever. God, that's nice. Never opened the passenger door. Typical bumpers that fuck up the sides of your truck. Typical flat tire. Let's see, you used to have two. I like this. Makes you feel more safe, you know. Oh man, this is a sweet ass truck. Had an audio box. Radio. Older sheet from Napa. Spark plugs. Wow, $9 for spark plugs in the 80s and 90s. What do we got here? Where'd it go? Toothpaste cap and wire. Old shoe can. Modern review mirror. Seems good. Works. Oh man, I love these trucks. This one's in mint. This thing's just in mint. My dad says this truck's made of Bondo. I wouldn't doubt it. Well, not there though. It's rusting right there. A little bit of moss growing on it. Little paint chips. Fucking roof's destroyed. I don't care. This is a hot rod fucking sweet truck. Yep.